Ho, ho, ho! Need help?
I wrapped myself instead.
For who?
Any lady who loves feathers and attitude.
Oh, that's rich.
You coming on the sleigh?
Depends. What's the weight limit?
Why? You're tiny.
I meant for your cookie's belly.
Why are the elves complaining?
I promoted myself to supervisor.
You can't do that.
I did. They now call me Boss Bird.
All of those cookies were for me.
Consider it quality control.
And the milk?
Evidence. Delicious evidence.
Ha! You rascal. Hold still. Got crumbs all over you.
Checking the naughty list?
I found your name on it.
What? I make the list.
Now you're on it for lying.
You think you're smarter than me?
I don't think. I know.
Oh, whoa! Okay, you win.
You scored 2 out of 100.
At least I didn't get 0. That's improvement.
You know, you're impossible.
Parrot, where's your homework?
It flew away, like my hopes of passing.
Oh, Parrot.
Ha!
So,
Parrot, present.
Mentally? No. Physically.
Huh. Noted.
Parrot, where's your homework?
It flew away, like my motivation.
Oh, what am I going to do with you?
He's lifting weights, not your standards.
Oh my gosh. Is he always like this?
Wait till he flexes his feelings.
Ignore him. Nice and slow on the way down.
I don't know which of you is tougher to keep up with.